Mondelēz International is a global snack company with products sold in over 150 countries. Their core business involves making and selling chocolate, biscuits, and baked snacks, while also having additional businesses in adjacent categories like gum and candy, cheese and grocery, and powdered beverages. The company's goal is to lead the future of snacking globally by offering the right snack for each moment, made sustainably with high-quality ingredients and packaging. They have a strategy focused on growth, execution, culture, and sustainability. Their plan involves four main priorities: accelerating consumer-centric growth, driving operational excellence, building a winning growth culture, and scaling sustainable snacking. By focusing on chocolate, biscuits, and baked snacks, they aim to meet consumers' evolving needs and expand their presence in high-growth channels while optimizing operations and boosting digital commerce. The company is also committed to sustainability and has set ESG goals for sourcing ingredients sustainably, reducing environmental impact, and promoting recycling. Their net revenue is largely generated outside the United States. Growth is monitored across emerging markets such as Latin America, Asia, Middle East, Africa. Their brands cover product categories like biscuits and baked snacks, encompassing cookies, crackers, salted snacks, snack bars, and cakes and pastries, as well as chocolate, gum and candy, beverages, and cheese and grocery. In general, the seasonality of demand for products sees increased sales during the fourth quarter due to holidays and seasonal events. The customer base consists of various types of retail food outlets, as well as direct sales to businesses and consumers through e-retail platforms, retailer digital platforms, websites, and social media. No single customer makes up more than 10% of their net revenues. Distribution and marketing efforts involve direct store delivery, third-party distributors, and digital commerce. The business requires procurement and use of various commodities such as cocoa, dairy, wheat, edible oils, sugar, flavoring agents, nuts, packaging materials, natural gas, fuels, and electricity. The availability and cost of these raw materials are influenced by global inflation, geopolitical uncertainty, climate conditions, trade and regulatory factors, commodity market conditions, and currency fluctuations. To manage higher costs and currency impacts, the company employs hedging strategies and prioritizes cost control measures. However, complete protection against rising material costs may not be assured through these methods. In regards to laws and regulations that affect the company's food products and operations, they need to adhere to local, national, and multinational guidelines related to labeling, health and nutrition claims, packaging, pricing, marketing, and advertising. For more on Mondelēz and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.